morning, futures traders. This is David on Friday, August 19th, 2022. The time is 9:04. Looks like the NASDAQ is down 207 points, and the VIX is green. It's up. So, see what we can get today. Going to fire up the NQ. Well, let's do oil too, unless we get in trouble with that one. See what happens. Which one's going to fire off first? 5 and 1, 3 and 12, and yeah. Let's see here. The old wizard has to say. All right, so.
Order filled.
Well, here we go. All right, get up there.
Order canceled.
Nice little run.
Order submitted.
Keep going. I won't stop you. I might move my stop up for you.
Order filled.
Ah, bummer.
Order canceled.
I cut that one off because it's stalling again down there. And I like to run them in tandem between each other. It's less headache. So when I get the right brick size and the right firing mode on it, I like the ES and the NQ to work together. If the NQ's going up, that's great. And the ES made a move up too, I'm fine with that. But then when they turn, I want them to turn together.
Order submitted.
See, I'm going to hold off on the ES. I don't know how deep of a pullback this is going to be.
Order canceled.
Good enough. Good enough.
Order filled. Order filled.
There it goes again. Catch it up. Go, baby, go. Oh, yeah, she's going up. Oh, yeah. There's 20, 22. Come on, 22s.
Order
Yes.
canceled.
Yes, we made our goal today. Right away. Come on, keep going. There's 21s. How about some 22s? Give me a 22.
Order canceled.
Okay. We are 8,500 and 891. I would say that's a pretty good goal today. Let's take a look at our performance. Real time. All right, we had $367. Let's see, we can have. I've got a new calculator. Should work pretty freaking good now. Okay, 8302 minus the 367, 793. Okay, 7993. Clear 7993. All right. And then this one, 890 and minus 122 equals, okay, plus memory recall $8,700. close to my goal for the day, and it happened in a few minutes. So I cannot complain, and I will not complain about that. I will take it and run. Okay, thanks for watching. I will keep making the videos.